Now children will see drainage in Brazil or drainage pattern of Brazil due to river. See here I am giving you or I am telling you about some drainage pattern and what type of pattern the rivers they form while draining the water in the big ocean or you can say bays. So this type of pattern is formed while draining the rivers of water of rivers. So drainage pattern is a pattern created by stream erosion over a time that reveals characteristic of kinds of rocks, geological structure in a landscape region drained by stream. So many types of patterns are formed due to drainage system of rivers. So I am telling you about some different types of drainage pattern, and see it depends upon the matters or kind of rocks, the kind of sediments which is brought by rivers. It is not same everywhere. It depends upon the kind of rocks and geological landscape region. See, like if you'll remember, in our country, the drainage pattern is like alluvial fan. That means whatever matters or whatever things or whatever deposition is brought by river Ganga and its tributaries, they are in the form of smooth alluvial soil. So there they form like an alluvial fan or delta shape. Understood? So there are some different types of drainage pattern. First is dendritic pattern, which is very common, develop in areas where rocks, understood, in the rocky area में ये dendritic patterns develop होते हैं beneath the stream. And second is trellis drainage. Trellis, first is dendritic pattern, second is trellis drainage pattern, typically develop where the sedimentary rocks. See, I told you just now, this type of drainage pattern depends upon the composition of rocks, understood, and the geological or the landscape of the particular area. So first dendritic pattern, second is trellis drainage pattern, typically develop where sedimentary rocks have been found. Third is rectangular pattern, develop in area that have very little topography and system of bedding plains, fractures or faults that form a rectangular network. So this is rectangular drainage. See, just this is for your information. You should know what type of drainage system is there in our the topography of the world. Next is parallel drainage system. It is a pattern of rivers caused by steep slopes with some relief. Next is radial drainage system. The stream radiate outwards from a central high point. Volcanoes usually display excellent radial drainage. Next is centripetal drainage. It is similar to radial drainage system. So this type of formation is there of the drainage pattern. So this is a picture of those I told you just now. This is first dendritic, like you can see branches of tree. This is radial. Here this is the main center of volcano. This type of drainage system is there. This is trellis, small streams like this is rectangular and this is parallel. So this type of drainage system, it is there in the above surface of earth, or you can say it is formed due to various rivers according to the topography, landscape and the composition of rocks. So now we'll move towards next point, that is drainage of Brazil. See, there are three major river basins in Brazil. Remember children, this is very important. There are three major river basins in Brazil. That is first Amazon basin. So we are going to read under drainage of Brazil. First Amazon basin, second Paraguay Parana system in southwest, third São Francisco in the eastern part of highland and other rivers at the coast. So these three we are going to read about drainage of Brazil. So remember, first Amazon basin, we'll see what type of drainage system is formed due to Amazon river and its tributaries. Second, we'll see Paraguay Parana system in the southwest, and third we'll see São Francisco in the eastern part of highland and other rivers at the coast. So now this is the river pattern of Brazil or the so many rivers which is there in Brazil. First we'll see with Amazon River, starting from this Peru, and it go towards the eastern side, and here the drainage of Amazon River is there. Second, Paraguay Farana. This is Paraguay Farana. It is southwest, and we'll see the next is São Francisco. This is São Francisco in the eastern side. Now this is Amazon Basin. See carefully. You can see in your page number 21 or 22 where the rivers of 20 page number, the rivers of Brazil are also given. It is there. This deep color in purple shade, you can see this is the flow of Amazon towards the eastern side. And so many tributaries are also there. Observe it carefully. Now the Amazon Basin is the first we'll see Amazon Basin. The Amazon Basin is the part of South America drained by Amazon River and its tributaries. The Amazon drainage basin covers an area of about 75 lakhs square kilometer, or roughly 40% of South American continent. It is located in the countries of Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname and Venezuela. So Amazon Basin, it covers the places Bolivia, located in the countries Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname and Venezuela. So children, the Amazon Basin, it is the feature. It originates from eastern slope of Andes mountain in Peru. See, map pointing में आपका आ सकता है. Where is the origin of Amazon River? Amazon River originates from eastern slope of Andes mountain in Peru. Amazon River basin forms the largest plains in Brazil. It is located in the northern part of Brazil. Amazon River has a huge discharge leading to formation of islands near its mouth. So if you'll see, observe map on page number 15, you can see where the last part of the drainage or eastern side, Marazao Island is there. It is there the Amazon River discharges its sediments, or the discharge of river Amazon is there up to there, leading to the formation of islands, near its mouth. The width of mouth of Amazon River is nearly 150 km. Understood? Most of the course and amount of Amazon River is used for navigation. So it is used for navigation. Amazon Basin, it is very important. We can say it is the most important feature of drainage system of Brazil. So just now I told you the Amazon River rises in Andes mountain in the west of basin, and its main tributary the Maranon River in the Peru. It is usually considered to the second longest river in the world. However, a team of Brazilian scientists has claimed that the Amazon is the longest river in the world. It covers about 6,400 km before draining into the Atlantic Ocean. So it covers about 6,400 km before draining into Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon and its tributary form the largest volume of water. So it is the longest. It is the longest river in the world. So its volume, or you can say the drainage, will be also more. A dense network of tributaries, which is a characteristic feature near river mouth, is absent here. Understood? So a dense network of tributaries is absent there. Instead, a series of islands have been formed. Understood? We can just now I told you that when the river Amazon it going towards eastern side or near the North Atlantic Ocean, the formation of small islands are there, developed along the mouth of Amazon beyond the coastline into Atlantic Ocean. At the mouth of width of Amazon channel is 150 km. Most of the course of Amazon River is suitable for navigation. So the formation of islands are there. There is no formation of delta. The formation of islands are there. Now we'll see Paraguay-Farana system, that is in the southwest, located in the southwest. Both the rivers form the catchment of River Plata in Argentina. These two rivers, River Uruguay in extreme south of highland, collect their headwaters from the south portion of highland. So, this is the feature of Paraguay-Farana system. They are located in the southwest, and these two rivers, River Uruguay and for Paraguay, they flow towards extreme south of highland, collect their headwaters from southern portion of highland.